In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open zip attachments in Outlook. A zip file is simply a compressed folder that bundles one or more files into a smaller package. It's a common way to share multiple documents at once. Before opening any attachment, make sure you trust the sender and the message looks legitimate. When in doubt, avoid opening it and verify with the sender directly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. If you're prompted, sign into your Outlook account as you normally would. Once you're in your inbox, look for the email that contains the zip attachment you want to open. Take a moment to confirm the subject and sender so you know you're opening the correct message. Inside the email, you'll see the zip file attached. You can click the attachment to view available options. If a preview is offered, you may see limited information. For full access, choose Download. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location, typically the Downloads folder on your computer. If you see a Downloads bar or panel, you can click the file from there to open its location quickly. Next, open your Downloads folder and locate the zip file you just saved. Right-click the file to open the context menu, then select Extract All. This tells your computer to unpack everything inside the zip so you can work with the files normally. A window will appear asking where you want the extracted files to go. You can accept the default folder, or click Browse to pick a different location, such as your desktop or a project folder. When you're ready, click Extract. The extraction may take a few seconds, depending on the size of the zip. When the process finishes, a new folder with the same name as the zip will appear. Open that folder to access the unzipped contents. From here, you can open documents, images, spreadsheets, or any files included in the attachment, just like you would any other file on your computer. If you're on a Mac, double-clicking the zip will automatically unzip it into a new folder in the same location. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the email with the zip, downloaded the attachment, extracted all, and then opened the unzipped files. For tidiness, you can delete the original zip once you've confirmed everything extracted correctly, keeping only the folder you need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!